So exercise 5.4, first sum. Find the equation of the two tangents that can be drawn from 5, 2 to the ellipse 2x square plus 7y square equal to 14. Okay. So there is two tangents for the ellipse. We have to find the equation of those two tangents. So how to find? We are going to write the procedure now. First you have to write the equation of the ellipse in standard form, and you can identify the values of a square and b square. Okay. So first let us take the equation of ellipse. So the equation of ellipse. The equation of ellipse is 2x square plus 7y square equal to 14. If you want to write the equation in standard formula, you have to make the right hand side as 1. Since the right hand side is 14, you have to divide the total equation by 14. Okay? When you are dividing the total equation by 14, you will get that x square by 7 plus y square by 2, which is equal to 1. So we have written the equation of the ellipse in standard form. Here you have to take the greater number as a square and the smaller number as b square. So here you are having a square equal to 7 and b square equal to 2. Okay. So now we are going to write the standard form of tangent to a ellipse. Okay. We know that any tangent to the ellipse is of the form y equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Okay, so this is the equation of tangent to the ellipse. So now you have to substitute the values available. Here you are having the values a square and b square, and also it passes through the point 5, 2. Okay, so instead of x you have to substitute the point 5, and then instead of y you have to substitute the value 2. A square means you have to substitute 7, and b square you have to substitute 2. So when you are substituting this to the first equation, let us take this as first equation. So your first equation implies that what is the value of y? Y is nothing but 2, which is equal to m. The value of m, we don't know the value m. The value of x is 5. So when you are multiplying m with 5, you will get 5m. Plus or minus root of a square. What is a square? A square is 7. And m square. So you are not having the value for m. So 7m square plus the value of b square is 2. So now we are going to rearrange this equation. So you just bring the 5m to the other side. So you will get that 2 minus 5m, which is equal to plus or minus 7m square plus 2. If you want to cancel the square root, you have to square on both sides. So we are going to square on both sides. So square on both sides. When you are squaring on both sides, you will get that 2 minus 5m, the whole square is equal to 7m square plus 2. Okay. So now you have to expand the left hand side using the formula a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square means 4 plus 5m square, 25m square minus 2ab, that is 2 into 5m minus 7m square minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. So now I have rearranged and I expanded them. Now you just arrange this. Here you are having 25m square and here you are having minus 7m square. When both of them get cancelled, now you will get that. What you will get? 18m square. Next we will come for the m term. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So minus 20m. Next 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now we can also simplify this equation by dividing 2. So you just divide the total equation by 2, so that you will get the 9m square minus 10m plus 1, which is equal to 0. So you are having a quadratic equation. Now you can factorize this quadratic equation. How we can factorize this quadratic equation means here the sum is minus 10 and the product is 9. You have to think of the two numbers whose sum is minus 10 and product is 9. So we can have that numbers are minus 9 and minus 1. Since the first term is 9, you have to divide by 9. So when you are dividing both the numbers by 9, you will get that m minus 1 into m minus 1 by 9, which is equal to 0. So that you will have that m equal to 1 and m equal to 1 by 9. So we have found out the value of m. Okay, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1 by 9. So now what we are going to do is, using the two values of m, we are going to find the two equations of the tangent. Okay. So next we are going to write the equation of tangent. So we know the formula to find the equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here you are having two values of m. So here the value of x1 comma y1 is given to be 5 2, that is given in the problem, and m equal to 1, and one more value you are having is x1 comma y1 equal to 5 2, and one more value m equal to 1 by 9. So you have to substitute both the things in this equation. So let us take this equation as number 2. When you are substituting this in the second equation, you will get that y minus y1 is 2 equal to m is 1 into x minus 5. So when you are simplifying this, you will get that y minus 2, which is equal to x minus 5. When you bring this to the other side, right side, you will get that x minus y, already minus 5 is there, now plus 2, which is equal to 0. So which implies that x minus y minus 3, which is equal to 0. So this is one of the equation of tangent. Now you just come to the other number. So now when you are substituting y minus 2 is equal to m 1 by 9 into x minus 5, you just cross multiply 9y minus 18, which is equal to x minus 5. So you just bring all this to the other side, you will get that x minus 9y minus 5 plus 18, which is equal to 0. Okay. So when you are subtracting 5 from 18, you will get 13. So x minus 9y plus 13, which is equal to 0. So these are all the two equations of the tangent to the ellipse from the point 5, 2.